She has been in jail since last May, but that didn't stop Yasmin Rashid from standing for election. The candidate for the Tehreek-e-Insaf or PTI party stood against the leader of the Pakistan Muslim League and former Prime Minister Nowazşerif. Her family say she won.
Yasmin Rashid was leading by 19,000 or so votes when the last week calculated on 89% results. Nowazşerif was 20,000 votes behind her. And we were sure. They have manipulated the entire results.
While Yasmin Rashid has been in prison, her brother-in-law has been running her election campaign and recalls what happened after the polls closed.
At one point of time, we heard some people coming, beating that man up, trying to ask him to put the results on. They have just barged into it with about 10, 11 Vigos and all black and without numbers and all black screens on them. And they just walk into the office.
The Pakistan Election Commission posted the election results form on its website. There was a discrepancy in numbers. The number of valid votes was higher than the number of total votes. It has since been taken down and another form posted, with a different set of numbers showing an increase in votes for Nowazşerif. Al-Jazeera asked both the Election Commission and Pakistan Muslim League for comment. No response has been received. In Lahore, PTI officials postponed a planned protest, saying there was a plan to incite protesters and potential violence would be blamed on the party. Some turned up anyway and were detained by police.
Can you give us a second for Al Jazeera, please? Can you tell us why those people were detained? I am not allowed. You're not allowed to speak to us? Can you tell us what the police are doing here today? Can you tell us what the orders for the police are here today? Can you tell us why those people were detained?
The leader of the PTI and former Prime Minister Imran Khan is in jail. Other activists are also in prison. They say that's blatant election interference. Sanam Javed and her husband have been in prison for nearly 2 months.
My daughter is in prison because she has become politically aware. She supports Imran Khan and PTI and their vision that this country should have civilian rule and be free.
No party has achieved a majority to form a government. From his prison cell, Imran Khan and the PTI say they're intending to challenge the results in court. Asad Beg, Al Jazeera, Lahore, Pakistan.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.